Hi, everyone. My name is Taylor Williamson, and I'm the head band director at LISD Middle School. And I'm coming to you tonight in order to offer some clarity to all of our band families and any other community member of Wiley on the exact details of our schedule that we'll be following this school year. So there's multiple things that have been thrown at you, and I just want to make sure that everyone understands exactly what to do, especially on our very first day of school. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to discuss tonight is what an A day and a B day is and what this whole A-B schedule is. So the first thing that you need to realize is that in a typical year, Leander ISD Middle Schools operated on an 8-period day. This means that your student would go to 8 class periods every single day, and each one was 45 minutes. Leander ISD, in an effort to allow the students to not concentrate on that many classes in a given day, they've split those 8 classes over 2 days, meaning you will attend 4 classes on an A day and then 4 classes on a B day. On an A day, when you're looking at your schedule, you will attend periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then on a B day, you will only attend periods 5, 6, 7, and 8. This means that you will not be attending every class every day. Because there's less classes a day, they actually doubled the amount of time you will spend in each class. So instead of each period being 45 minutes, they will now be 90-minute classes. The first day of school is Thursday, August the 13th, and we are starting with an A day. That means that that morning at 8:10 a.m., you will be attending first period on your schedule. Then you will go to second period, then third, then fourth. Then on Friday, August the 14th, we transition to a B day. And on that B day, you will attend periods 5, 6, 7, and 8, which means that at 8:10, you attend 5th period, followed by 6th, 7th, and 8th. Again, each class being a 90-minute length of time. We alternate A and B days consistently from the first day of school to the end of school. On the schedule you see on your screen on the right, this is a schedule that our new principal, Mrs. Hodges, sent out to you guys. If a day is grayed out, that means it is an A day. If it is white, that means it is a B day. It does not matter if a weekend is a 3-day weekend because of a holiday or a 4-day weekend. It does not matter. If we end a week, say, on a B day, the next day we go to school, whenever that is, even if it's after all of spring break, the next day is going to be an A day. It does not matter what falls in between the days. It's constantly alternating A and B days. Next, let's talk about what our virtual schedule is. Let me be very clear. This is the schedule that your child will follow from August the 13th until September 8th. Now, that September 8th date is the current date that the school district is planning to offer in-person instruction as an option to our families. If the school district administration and the school board members decide to extend that date further past September the 8th, then this will obviously change a little bit, and we'll be using this virtual schedule for a longer period of time. But as of today, which is August the 12th, we are planning on using this schedule from August 13th, the first day of school, through September 8th. This schedule is used for all students and all classes for the first 3 weeks of school or until September 8th. No students are allowed on LISD campuses until September 8th. This includes those students who have chosen in-person classes such as athletics, cheerleading, dance, and band. Every single class offered at LISD schools will be virtual until September 8th. I know many of you have filled out a survey for me, letting me know what your final choice was, whether or not you would be attending band or not in person. That does not go into effect until September the 8th. So please do not come to school until September 8th if you chose that. No students will be allowed in the building on August the 13th, our first day of school. On the right, you will see our bell schedule. You will see that first period, which is the first period of an A day, starts at 8:10, and then you go to second. Then you have this lunch advisory period. Lunch advisory during the virtual period will actually just be combined to make an hour lunch period. The reason it is listed as advisory lunch is just to prepare the students for when we are in person, because those will be combined back to back, but they are 2 separate periods. So just to clarify, during the virtual schedule, which is August 13th through September 8th, That will be just an extended lunch break, which will be an hour long from 11:20 to 12:20. After lunch on an A day, you will follow periods 3 and 4. On Friday, August the 14th, because it's a B day, you're going to start with period 5. And period 5 will start at 8:10, followed by 6th period at 9:45. You'll have that combined hour lunch break like we just talked about, followed by 7th and 8th period. Then the next day would be Monday, and that is going to be another A day, and we start back with first period and repeat this cycle continuously. Again, this is the schedule your child will use for the first day of school all the way through September 8th. Now let's talk about what happens on September 8th until the end of the school year. This is the schedule that your kids will use, all students, okay? So this will be those who choose 100% virtual with the district, 100% in person, or those students who are virtual who will be coming to school for those allowed in-person classes, which are the athletics, cheerleading, dance team, and band. This schedule will not begin until September 8th. Just as a reminder, your decision of in-person versus virtual learning is a choice that you make with the school district, and it must be followed for the first 6 weeks or our first grading period. You will obviously be able to change this for the second grading period, which will begin on September the 21st. Many of you have asked me questions about what lunch does my student have? Those have not been assigned yet and will be announced closer to September 8th. Because we're still virtual, I'm going to go back to the schedule here. Everyone will have the lunch at the exact same time, which will be from 11:20 to 12:20. It is an hour lunch. So, just to clarify, tomorrow, August the 13th, is an A day, and you will start that day with your first period class at 8:10. You will then attend periods 1, 2, 3, and 4, each for 90 minutes on A day, and then on Friday, we do a B day, which is periods 5, 6, 7, and 8. I really, truly hope that this offered some clarity to some of you guys as to which bell schedule to look at. I know you are receiving tons and tons of countless emails from all of your teachers, and I promise you we are all working very hard to make it as clear as we can, but for some of us, I understand it is very not clear. And so I hope that this allows for you to feel at ease about what class your child is supposed to attend first thing tomorrow morning on August the 13th, which, just as a reminder, is first period, and that is at 8:10 a.m. All right, friends, thank you so much. And please let any of us know if you ever have any questions. Bye, guys.